Let's see how we could implement flow for anomaly detection on VBAI. 1. Loading and pre-processing image. 2. Find match cells. 3. Run on loop through all match cells to find significant differences. Anomaly. Here we could see steps for loading and pre-processing. Load image, filter it, update variables. And for next step of the flow, just image matching and update related variables. Last step of the flow, running loop over found matches to calculate cell differences. Please remember, this step and not PR, no NCC used. Let's recall execution times. For 800 by 800 pixel image with roughly 6 match cells, we have 80 millisecond for anomaly detection. Running same flow on 1200 by 1200 pixels image with 26 to 28 matches, we have 300 milliseconds execution time. So increase is rather linear. Conclusion. 1. To achieve best timing, we need to determine so-called basic cell in the structure. 2. It should be sufficiently small relative to input image size. 3. We could significantly increase FOV to accommodate more basic cells with just linear time dependency for algorithm execution. Thank you for watching.